Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ka Frank Motors, ka badai ka dealer jang Tata Motors, passenger vehicle ha Meghalaya, kala pelat Paidbah ka next gen Tata Tiago, pat ka next gen Tata Tiago EV, ha showroom jang ka badan ha mulai. La pelat Paidbah ikini ki artli ki kali da senior manager ke Indian Bank, uba Shining Star, Maskut, uba long kumukongsan, ba utara jang ka showroom uba Indan lang pasa, ringkat ka jing sakhilang, kinong tray, bat ki bala syakot ngobha. Hakan ni kajing lang peli Paidbah 8i ki kali hashbag bathamai jong Tata Motors ki bawan bakadur ba internet ki kor jingarap bamenta kajing sengan ka bakhamha bat kador ka bayahap ka next gen Tata Tiago kawan ha ka variant petrol bat ICNG ringkat bat kajing internet ka bathamai kajing yo osyong ka basuk bat ki kor jingarap ki pastat kat ba ka Tiago EV kawan ra ka jing suk ka jing ya kali electric ka first charging ki kor jingarap pastat ka lifetime high voltage battery warranty bat ka jinglut ka baduna ha ka jing ya ka dor jong next gen Tata Tiago kalong saw pon riup khandai lang kat ba ka next gen Tata Tiago EV ka sedang nadu riup pon khandai lang ex showroom ka Tiago EV ka danru haka rukom battery as a service haka dor saw pon riup khandai lang pakajing siu ar pon riu kilometer nakabanta ka battery kat kom ki kendon pakajing yete ka booking baka test drive kila pli menta ha baro ki showroom jong ka Frank Motors ha Meghalaya bala khot subhai ki Paidbah banwan cha ka showroom ka badan marjan pansakhi ya ka next gen Tiago babanyo jumentoy na ki offer kerpang ki finance schemes bat ki exchange benefit.
It's not just an upgrade, it's a complete evolution. It combines of premium styling, advanced features, and Tata Motors' commitment to safety, making it an ideal choice for the first-time buyers, families, and the young professional alike. So, without much further delay, I'll just share a history of the Tata Tiago. Is that great? Let me hear your voice. Is that great? Okay. And this Tiago EV was launched in 2022. After just 4 years in the market, 75,000 plus units were sold so far. In the market, many OEMs are overlooking entry-level hatchbacks in favor of the SUVs. Tata Motors has chosen a different path. The next gen Tiago has been developed to raise the benchmark by delivering features, safety, and value that exceeds expectations in the segment. So, I just explained a bit about the features in the exterior. The new Tiago has got the lux beam LED headlamps and also the sporty white front grille, halo light bar, connected tail lamps, shark fin antenna with GPS, and also the Cosmo Grade textured wheel arch and cladding. These are all first in the segment of a hatchback. In the interiors, we've got the IRA connectivity with 35 plus connected car features. Also the Ultra View with 6.03 centimeters HD touchscreen infotainment, dual wireless charger, 360 SVS camera with multiple 2D 3D views, and also the live view monitors, and also a digital island cluster. Are you all aware of the starting price of the Tiago? Can you share? How much is it? Sorry? Wrong is. Another one? Anyone? Sorry? Okay. The starting price of the new Tiago is just 4,69,000. So if you're looking for a car that gives you confidence on the road, low running costs, and the reliable of Tata Motors, the new Tiago is an excellent choice.
always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.